What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Make Money Monetizing. Today is February 20th, 2021, and today we're going to look at how the Cash Cow YouTube channel that I have been updating you guys with is performing so far this year. So, since we got monetized on December 24th, I've gone 56 days into the future, so pretty much from December 24th to January 17th, that marks 2 months. So the way that YouTube likes to break things down is in 28 days. 28 days is 4 weeks, 7 days in the week. And so 2 months essentially from December 24th would be 56 days. So let's go over to, that's January, December 24th to the 17th. And here we have 56 days. So in the last 56 days, we've gotten 1.5 million views, which is 1,497,936, 89.2 thousand hours of watch time, 3.3 thousand subscribers, and a total of $1,648.49. I'd say it's pretty good for their first 2 months of being monetized. Now let's take a look at the video that we have been following along with since January 4th. All right, so this video right here, you guys know I posted on January 4th, and we've been following along and seeing how it's been performing since it's been posted. On the second day it was posted, it hit suggested. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's just a short 50-second video of me recording as soon as it hits the suggested, and you can see the analytics where the spike goes up. And since that time, we've gotten 190,896 views, 13.3 thousand hours of watch time, 388 subscribers, and a total of $260.07. Not bad from an 11-minute video. Keep in mind that these videos in the beginning were taking me, 8 hours to make. Now the time is more around like 2 to 3 hours to make. So, think about that. If you're spending 2 to 3 hours making a video, or maybe even 1 to 2 hours, you can really multiply the amount of content you can put out, and obviously more ad revenue with more content that you make. Another thing is, so I know I've said in the last video that I posted, I said that one of the things that helped me to get to where I am today with this channel is taking Matt Parr's course. You can go over to his channel, Make Money Matt. He has a bunch of really good content, and he actually reached out through Facebook. He saw my last video that I posted. He reached out and he said, "Hey, what's up, man?" And then he said, "I saw your Make Money Monetizing channel, and that's awesome, man. Thanks for promoting the course in your videos." You guys can see right here. I don't know if you can see that. And if we go further down, he was just, having conversation and telling me good job and reaching out, and, really kind of just, I thought it was very genuine that he actually took the time to find my Facebook, send me a friend request and stuff like that. Another thing that he did is he also commented on our Make Money Monetizing channel on that video. First time Cash Cow YouTube channel makes over $1,000 in only 28 days. And he says, "Epic, man, keep up the amazing work. Thanks for the shout out," I say, and same goes to him. So this guy's a very genuine guy. If you guys haven't followed him or subscribed to his channel, make sure you go and do that. But if you guys want to keep getting updates on my Cash Cow YouTube channel and my Make Money Monetizing channel, make sure you subscribe right now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.